Hi, my name is Toby Fawn from A Drop of Eden, and today we're going to be discussing aromatherapy. Be sure if you like my channel to hit that subscribe button below so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to learn more about aromatherapy or just get some good recipes, check out my website linked in the description below. Let's get started. What is aromatherapy? Aromatherapy is a gentle but powerful healing practice that uses therapeutic grade essential oils in a way that positively affects our physical, emotional, and mental health. Pure essential oils are naturally occurring substances found in the different parts of the plant. Essential oils can be extracted from various parts of the plant, such as the flowers, leaves, seeds, bark of the trees, and even the stems and branches. Some methods of extraction include steam distillation and cold pressing. While these by no means are the only methods of extraction, they are most commonly used. Aromatherapy can be described as the practice of using essential oils to improve the health and general well-being of individuals. This involves physical, emotional, and mental well-being, which boosts the immune system and helps to ward off infections, illnesses, and diseases. Aromatherapy takes a holistic approach in the therapeutic use of essential oils. This is because before essential oils are used, everything about the person is being considered, from why it's needed in the first place, the person's lifestyle, diet, medical history, as well as the person's current emotional and mental condition. Aromatherapy is not just about taking care of the symptoms, but tries to tackle the root cause of the symptoms. For example, migraines and backaches can just be symptoms of prolonged stress and not necessarily a physical condition on their own. When the underlying stress conditions are dealt with, the other symptoms will automatically be taken care of. Aromatherapy, in essence, seeks to improve the all-around health of the individual rather than just the physical, emotional, or mental condition. Essential oils are largely made up of organic compounds, and these compounds include alkaloids, ketones, phenols, lactones, and turpentines. A single essential oil can be made up between 50 and 500 different aromatic compounds. The presence of any of these aromatic compounds in essential oils in higher concentrations is what gives that particular essential oil its distinct property.